Picture this. You are standing in a bustling square in Kyiv, the golden domes of St. Sophia's Cathedral glittering in the distance. You've been walking for hours, you are totally lost and want to ask for directions. You spot a friendly looking local, but panic hits when you realize you have no idea how to ask for help. That feeling of being isolated in a foreign country, it's a traveler's worst nightmare, but it doesn't have to be yours. In Ukraine, just a little bit of language goes a very long way. People will be so happy that you are even trying. That's why in this video, I'm going to help you turn that travel anxiety into confident exploration. I'm giving you the 12 essential Ukrainian phrases that are your survival kit for Ukraine. We'll break it down into few parts: navigating the city, ordering at a restaurant, and handling those little communication gaps. Ready to upgrade your trip? Let's jump in. Okay, first things first, you got to find your way around. Whether you are looking for your hotel, the landmark, or the metro, getting around is the priority number one. You want to know where something is. You see it on your map, but you can't just find it on the street. The phrase you need is "де це?" "Де це?" It literally means "where is it?" You can point to a word on a map, a picture on your phone, and just ask. Now let's break it down. "Де" is where. "Це" is it or this. Now one more time. "Де це?" "Де це?" Now, once someone points you in the direction, you've got an immediate follow-up. Is this a 5-minute walk or a 30-minute trek? You need to ask, is it far? Це далеко? Це далеко? This is a super useful question for managing your time and energy. Let's hear it again. Це далеко? Hopefully the answer is no. But what if they reply with a bunch of hand gestures and a stream of Ukrainian? The most common one you'll hear is straight ahead. Прямо. Прямо. It's a strong, clear word. You'll hear this one a lot. Of course, not everything is straight ahead. You'll also need to know how to turn. So our next phrase is a 2-for-1 deal. Turn left and turn right. Поверніть ліворуч for turn left and поверніть праворуч for turn right. Now let's simplify. The first word, поверніть, just means turn. The words to focus on are ліворуч and праворуч. Поверніть ліворуч and now turn right. Поверніть праворуч. Alright, you've successfully navigated the city. And now you worked up an appetite. Ukrainian food is incredible. You can't live without trying borscht, вареники, or деруни. But first, you need to get a table. If you're dining solo, you can walk in and say «Столик на одного, будь ласка». A table for one, please. Столик means a small table. And see that magic phrase at the end? Будь ласка. This means please and can also mean you are welcome. Sprinkling this everywhere makes you sound incredibly polite. Once you are seated, you need the menu. This one is wonderfully simple. Меню, будь ласка. Menu, please. The word menu is pronounced almost exactly like in English. Just add your polite будь ласка at the end and you are good to go. So the menu is in front of you. It all looks delicious, but it's all in Ukrainian. Don't panic. Pointing is the universal language. To say I want, you just use this simple phrase. Я хочу. You can simply say this and then point to an item on the menu. It's direct, it works, and it will get you that delicious bowl of borscht you've been dreaming about. You had a fantastic meal and you are ready to go. It's time to pay. To ask for the bill, the phrase you'll need is Рахунок, будь ласка. The bill, please. Let's move on to another key travel experience, shopping. Imagine you're at a vibrant outdoor market looking at the handmade souvenirs. You see something you like, but there is no price tag. The question you need to know is, how much does it cost? Скільки це коштує? Скільки це коштує? Great job. Now, in any conversation, whether you are shopping or asking for directions, sometimes the answer will come back too fast or too complicated. It's totally okay to admit you're lost. The phrase I don't understand is a lifesaver. Я не розумію. Я не розумію. Saying this with a polite smile will almost always get the other person to slow down, use gestures, or try to simplify things for you. It's a bridge, not a barrier. We've covered a lot, but our last phrase is arguably the most important. I hope you never have to use, but you absolutely must know it. In a serious situation where you need help right away, the word for help is допоможіть. Допоможіть. This is an urgent, powerful word. You say it loudly and clearly if you are in trouble or see someone else who is. It cuts through any noise. It doesn't need much explanation, but it does need to be memorized. And there you have it. 12 essential phrases that will make your trip to Ukraine smoother, safer, and so much more memorable. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. Let me know in the comments which phrase you think is the most helpful. I'd love to hear from you. And if you'd like to support my work, you can do it on Buy Me a Coffee with a one-time donation or on an ongoing basis. The link is in the description below. Thank you for your support. Your journey into Ukrainian language is just beginning. Be patient with yourself. Be brave enough to try it out. And have an incredible time exploring the beautiful country of Ukraine. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Papa.